Hi Virgos, welcome to Tarot with Andy. This is your reading from 23rd of October 2021 to the 23rd of January 2022. I have already got the spread of cards for you. The cards you have right now for the next 3 months. The first one is the Knight of Cups. Then you have the High Priestess. Then the Three of Cups reversed, Nine of Pentacles reversed, Queen of Swords, and the Ten of Wands. So the first card that you got is the Knight of Cups. This tells me, Virgos, that a message is coming towards you. A friend might visit you who will bring unexpected money to you. A new financial or love proposition will be given to you. You might be getting a new opportunity, or you might be invited to join someone. Romance is in the air, Virgos. You will meet your hero or lover in the coming 3 months who will take the breath away from you. He or she will seduce you towards him or her. This card also indicates that you might travel to near water destinations. You might meet your Prince Charming or Princess there. Basically, you need to follow your heart, whether in love, job, or at home. You deserve love. Open up to love. Allow yourself to be vulnerable. Look for someone who will sweep you off your feet. Take big chances in love, but first be clear of your expectations. What you want from the universe, what you are willing to compromise or what not. You demand an equal partner, so go hunting, Virgos. If you are struggling in your current relationship, then define your boundaries. You need to be more active physically, Virgos. Perhaps a daily walk is good enough with someone you love. Sexual health is important as well. It should not be neglected, even if it means taking matters in your own hands. Love your body as well and take care of it and enjoy every minute of your life. The next card that you have is the High Priestess. It shows me that many things are hidden. There are deep secrets that can only be revealed if you trust your instincts and intuitions. If you are looking for love, you need to ask yourselves that what do you desire? Do you want a true committed relationship or just casual flings or time pass or mix of both? Virgos, my advice will be trust your feminine instincts and be receptive to the love that you are given. This is applicable for all your relationships, not only love relationships. And please keep your love life a secret and do not blabber about secrets told to you by anyone. Do not break the trust of people around you. If they are telling you their secrets, keep your mouth shut. Keep their trust. As far as health is concerned, please go for a full body checkup. Take care of your emotional health as well, not only physical. Go to a therapist if required. The third card you have is the Three of Cups reversed. It tells me, Virgos, that you need to do things that make you happy. Be your own best friend. Virgos, you need to offer kindness, compassion, and companionship to your own self right now. You need to be comfortable with your own company. You need to understand what a great human being you are. You need to celebrate yourself. You need to understand how worthy you are of celebration. If you celebrate yourself, you become available for other people to celebrate you. Understand what will make you happy, your heart happy, what your heart needs. Give your heart that. Follow your heart. Let your emotions take over your decisions and give your mind a rest. Any silly thing that can make your heart happy, do it, Virgos. Don't think about it. You need to follow your instincts. Have a wonderful time celebrating. The next card you got is the Nine of Pentacles. That's in reversed. Nine is for the wishes. So Virgos, all the wishes can be fulfilled if you allow yourself to be calm and relaxed, to receive abundance from the universe. Receive everything with open hands. That means you receive blessings and let it flow out as well. Because every time one blessing goes out, a new blessing comes in. Do not try to hold on to things. Let life flow. Universe will never let you down. Trust the process. Your wish is the universe command. Virgos, let yourself be loved. The next card is the Queen of Swords. Virgos, you are shrewd, stern, and impartial in love, and all the lessons you have learned in life have made you this way. You are independent, you are logical, you are intelligent, and you never act irrationally. People may not like you, but you are always objective and fair. You do not fear accepting the failures or realities of yourself or others. So people can open up to you. Though I have been talking about love in this entire reading from the very beginning, though it's not a love reading, it's a general reading, but what cards are showing me, I'm able to give that information to you only. But because of this card, the Queen of Swords, I have to tell you that it's not a great time for love, though. But you'll be falling for a loyal person who does not, want to take, who would not like to be controlled or directed. But if you can give freedom to this person, then this person can be incredibly loyal and loving towards you. So you need to let off the control of other people. You need to give them freedom so that they can love you back in an equal and appropriate manner. Virgos, you can tell the truth even if it hurts the other person. Be compassionate, honest, and brave. If you are facing problem at work, you already know the solutions. Just take action towards the same. You need to think clearly and act decisively at this time. The last card you got is the Ten of Wands. Virgos, you will be getting a lot of attention from people in the next 3 months. Your goodwill will increase. You will be authoritative and your income will increase in the coming 3 months. Dream big, Virgos. You will achieve success. But beware of a false person who is your enemy but will show you that he is your friend. They have bad intention towards you, Virgos, but act as if they love you. You cannot trust this person. It might be in your family, work environment, or friend circle. This is a low vibrating individual who is operating with hatred and wants to harm you. So be very careful. According to astrology, the next advice I would like to tell you, the tarot reading I have done for you according to the cards, but till the 6th of December 2021, Mars will be in Libra. So what is happening is, because of that, you need to be a little careful with your words, Virgos. You need to choose your words wisely. And because Mars is combust also right now, and it is the combination it is having with the Saturn and Jupiter and other planets. What it tells me is that, Virgos, not only you need to be careful with your words, but you need to be careful while driving as well. Though as far as your children are concerned, they will give you a lot of benefit, or they will give you good times, and because of them you will feel proud. But two things you need to be careful of is, you choose your words wisely. You don't get into a conflict with anyone. You just take care of your own self and enjoy life, and don't get involved in the unnecessary matters of others or conflicts with others. Just do your job and enjoy life. You don't need to worry a lot. Though the combust Mars, and till 6th December, I'll suggest you to be a little careful with driving, as I told you already, and unnecessary expenses also you need to control. You will feel like spending a lot using your credit card. The festive season will be there in the next 3 months, so you need to be careful with your spending also. The one remedy that I can suggest you to control the astrological part is that you can first of all do meditation, so that you don't get too aggressive, and you can control your Mars, and you can do chanting of Hanuman Chalisa. That will help you as well. Anyways, if you loved the reading and liked it, please do subscribe to my channel and share this video to as many people as you can, and like the video as well. Thank you so much.